Hey butterflies, today we're going to be talking about Juvia's palette. I just ordered this a couple weeks back and they said it was very pigmented. Some of them is pigmented for me. But we're going to be talking about that, so let's jump right in.
So crazy.
So this is their Afrique palette, which have all African names on this palette, as you can see. So some of them, like the yellow, is not as pigmented as I would like because it really doesn't show up. But my nails so long, I'm trying to pick up some product. So the ones I picked up was the bottom four, which are Angelique, Cassie, Fifi, and Kofi. So I'm just gonna swatch them on my arm so you can kind of get like what Kissy is so light, like a light tan color. Just barely getting any play, but I don't know if you can see that. But the metallic colors are really good. The Kissy is like right here. That's like a matte. And it matches my arm pretty much perfectly, I think. So it's really not coming up. So, as you can see, they come up pretty good, the metallic ones. This is Angelique, Kissy. This Fifi red, it has some sparkle to it, as you can see. And the gold is Kofi. So I'm gonna wipe my arm off and do the next four colors, okay? So got some wipes and I just cleared my fingers. I'm gonna do the next row, which is Bintu, Cantanu, Aya, and Cameroon. I'm sorry. But y'all can see it. So my nails so long, I gotta get enough product on my hand so you guys can see it. This Cantanu is like a dark blue, like midnight purplish color. And then this yellow, this is the yellow Aya. The yellow is right there. It's not very pigmented for me, but it don't come out on my eyes like how I like it. Oh my God, they be making this look so easy. It's so hard. Alright, so there's the next four colors. You can see I'm really good. My arm looks enough. But there it is. As you can see, the yellow came up pretty good right here. Maybe it's just my eyelids. I'm not pretty sure. So we're going to do the last four colors. Cote de l'Ivoire, Dakar, Niger, and Togo. So So we're going to do them last 4 colors. We make some space on my arm. Some space on my orange jam. Let's see. We got Colte, Dakar, Niger, and Togo. So, as you can see, this is how it's coming out on my fingers. Maybe I should have did it like this, because this is a lot better. So that's how pigmented they are. So I'm gonna swipe them on my arm. And there you go. Really good, they come up. So if you go to one of my other makeup looks on my channel, you'll be able to see it. Because this is really pretty much besides, what is it? Morph and, no, not Morph. Yeah, the Morphe palette I got with all the colors in there. Which I probably playing that today later on, so stay tuned for that video. But this is the stick foundation at Juvia. I got it in Nambia, which is, I think, a good color for me, but when I was doing my video, it seemed a little bit dark, so who knows. Also, I got Cameroon. And that is one that I use too. So, as you can see, switch back and forth between those two, and then I have a concealer 12 and 11, and this is what 12 looks like. Nice and creamy, full coverage. I usually use 11. It's a little bit more warmer for my skin tone. I got red tones in my skin, so I use those two. Also, I got the Juvia's Royalty, the Royalty 2 by Juvia's. Got that one. And the Royalty by Juvia's, which I guess would be the original one. So this is what this is how pigmented 2 is. Oops. I do not want to spill this or make a big old mess, child. Not time for that type of drama today. And this is the original one. Which is more gold tone. This is more like rose gold. And this one is more like a gold tone color. If you can see it, it's more golden. And that one is like more rose, more rosy. This one is more rosy, like a rose. Or maybe, yeah, like yellow. So yeah, like right here you can see it better. Yeah, you definitely get that good Yeah, if you put it back, you can see it something. So yes, those are all the products that I have from Juvia's. Like I said, I like the palette. I just don't really like the yellow because it doesn't show up on my eye how I like it. But all the other colors is very pigmented, very bright. I would recommend them. You know, I use them. They're pretty good, reasonable prices. I think I caught a Black Friday sale, so I paid, I think like $12 for the sticks, like $8 for the shimmers, and I believe $6 or $10 for the concealers. I'm not sure which, but it was one of the two. So just go check them out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Again, if you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Everything I use will be in the link below. So anything you need to know, comment. My next video is going to be on oh my goodness, it's a hair dye. It's I forget. But anyways, yes, Juvia's is a black-owned business, so you can catch them on Instagram. I'll put like a little video, probably like right here, of Juvia's place, so you can catch them on Instagram. I really like their makeup. So, oh yeah, the color, the hair place is Mystique hair dye. But it's like, it's not permanent. It's temporary. So you can put it in today, and if you, well, of course, ain't nobody going to work with COVID-19, but you got to go to work. You can wash it out, make videos, whatever the case may be. So I'm going to get into that next time and try all the crazy colors. So until next time, butterflies, have a good day.
So crazy.